Hi guys, my name is Nikhil. Welcome back to my channel. What's that giggle? Whatever. Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for tuning in for today's video. Today's look is going to be all about the galaxy, the moon. I'm very obsessed with stars and galaxy. I think people who know me closely know that I am a lover. I love moon, I love nature, and this look is inspired by today's with my thoughts and just moon, my love and obsession for moon, though I cannot create the beauty of moon exactly, but just tried my bit to just have some fun. Also guys, if you like this look, please give it a thumbs up. It takes forever. I wish I could show you BTS of the look because this look has taken forever. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm still with this look right now and like just a crazy person and in love with makeup and in love with you just because you show me a lot of support and a lot of comments and I just can't tell you in words. The picture, the love on my previous looks and everything was amazing. Thank you so much. That inspired me to get this look for you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and do share it with your friends and family and have some fun. This video is going to be super long, honey. Yeah, so guys, I've already done my this bit. If you can see, this is quite matte. So that's my this bit. So how you generally do your own skin. Yeah, so keep it that much and your rest of the bit is absolutely no powder at all. Yeah, so no powder at all. In fact, I've gone 3 more shades lighter than my skin color because I want that product to be accepted on my skin. Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin. Please grab some tea, coffee or Red Bull so that you enjoy the show. Thank you. To start off with the galaxy look, actually it has to be a ombre. So from here, your forehead to your borders of your hairline will go a little darker and I'm just gonna sketch that. So for that I'm choosing multiple colors and I'm just trying, guys. This look is completely on fluke. So don't judge me, okay? So I'm using plumage as of now on my forehead. Please be good. Please. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm going on the borderline. Yeah, that's how you want to complete your till forehead till here. Guys, गिरते चलते भाइयों और बहनों हम साथ में पहुंच गए हैं. This looks like I have a brand new hairline and it makes me feel so good. I just can't tell you. Guys, did you miss this voice by the way? I have been doing a lot of voiceovers now and I don't think so. I haven't heard that you guys like that or no. Are you guys like ignoring me in my videos? If you are, not fair. Yeah, so I really don't know where this is going to go, but all I can say is right now I'm just trying my bit and I'm just trying to go gradually like an ombre is all I can tell you. That's it, guys. So I'm taking the plumage eyeshadow and I'm also taking the darker green from Jaclyn Hill, this one. Yeah, so I'm mixing these two actually. Boys and girls, if you're recreating this, please have a lot of patience. In fact, you know what I just realized? I can go dark black, dark green to a little light blue is what I believe. Yeah, let's see how I actually twist the look. Because I'm having a lot of hopes from this look. Please give me a lot of views. Because I know you all loved my previous City Lights look. That's why I'm recreating this. And on public demand. I think I'm pretty much happy with how this has turned out to be. It's okay, let it be messy, guys. We don't care about that on this channel. Taking black from Inglot just on the hairline bit. Guys, I've reached here where I'm just, taking a soft brush and I'm just softening the edges. I hope you can see that black to, if you can see a little bit of gradation, like it's coming from black to blue is what we are actually looking at. Yeah. Don't worry, guys. We'll go even more lighter after this. I'm just hoping it to look absolutely stunning like me. Right now it makes me look like it's a blue, but a different type of blue. Yeah. Now I'm taking slightly a little deeper blue, like a little bit on the sky blue side, like a deeper sky blue with a little bit of the inglot color. I'm gonna mix both and I'm gonna hopefully try coming a little closer. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I'm just hoping for that gradation, that's all guys. Rest I'm all good. I'm absolutely okay for the lighter colors because so guys, I've realized you have to press the product a lot onto the skin for it to look really, intense. Like you can see what I'm trying to do here. Finally, it's time to stamp on the lighter color on that rest of the face because that's the focus feature for now. So for that, I'm using the lighter color over here. I'm just gonna try going with the little matte first and let's see how it looks. Please be good. Works. So what I'm gonna do is stamp on that and blend the other color at the same time. Don't worry for the intensity bit. I'll show you what we can actually do about that. So this is the game changer guys. About the rest of the eyes, I think I'm just gonna do something about that because I'm not gonna leave it like that. Won't work for me like that. This is the beautiful color, trust me. Like after the base and everything is done, I think this looks stunning. And once you add a little bit intensity to this is for sure going to turn out better. Like you have to also make sure that you blend the edges guys. Don't let the edges be harsh. I wish I had something to just take this off because my hair is very thick. I know how to block the brows. I don't get the gum because it's all quarantine and I'm not able to get that. If you guys know where to get that from, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, this hair does not go. Guys, once you add the color on, this is how it's gonna look like. So guys, once that's blended, it's gonna look something like this, but we are going to add a little more dimension to the overall look. So what I'm gonna do is, to the dark blue and the black, I'm just gonna add something more sparkly so that it intensifies it a little more, yeah? I'm taking a little lighter color from the same Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm just going that on the edges of the blue. And I feel I'll go one more shade lighter but a little later. First I'll complete this bit and once it's done I want to just make sure all this is seamless and blended. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, can you guys see that? It's giving me that lighter shade. Now I'm taking the MAC palette here and I'm taking more shade lighter. So I'm gonna take Steamy. I don't think so you get this in MAC anymore because I customized this palette on my own and I still remember how much I used to love this color. I think there's not a huge difference guys between the two, but I think my eyes now is looking a little incomplete and I think I should start doing that. And don't worry about these lines which are looking uneven right now, we'll make it better. So guys, I'm just taking that same darker blue color what we've used and I'm just trying to cut down that harsh lines between the colors. And what I'm also doing is giving a little more shaded effect because it's at the end of the day has to look more realistic and more moonlight. I'm taking the Dear Darling from MAC and what I'm gonna do is just blend the outer edge. I'm taking a little deeper color here because there has to be some sort of contour to the eyes, otherwise it's gonna look very incomplete. Because if there is no definition towards the whole makeup, we won't enjoy that look. And you all know how much I love it doing this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this side. I'm taking a little deeper color here because there has to be some sort of contour to the eyes, otherwise it's gonna look very incomplete. Because if there is no definition towards the whole makeup, we won't enjoy that look. And you all know how much I love it doing this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this side. So once that's done, we'll take the lighter blue and just start going in the crease. I really don't know how crazy I have got with these recreations and fun makeup looks. Trust me guys, I was never into all this. I don't know what inspired me. It's just this quarantine has got into my nerves right now. Guys, how are you managing it? I mean, let me know in the comment section below, like, how did you guys manage all this while? Like, oh, we are in the 4th month of the quarantine now. And I don't think so we all are in that happy place right now. I am to definitely not. I have to gone off social media to another level. I mean, I'm just creating these looks because I've got that time and I always wanted this platform. Like, I always wanted YouTube to be my first priority, and I never had time for all this, honestly. Because for me it was not an easy thing, doing YouTube, because especially working in the retail and working with NARS as a counter manager is altogether a very big responsibility. Like, I'm not raving about my job at this moment, but definitely it's not a joke to be working with retail, and especially being people with working with international people. So I'm adding more dimension to the lower lash line right now. But I miss my work right now, and I miss everything, like going out and enjoying those days. Definitely. But I'm sure once my routine starts, I think I will not get the same time again for YouTube also. Like, can you see, this is the only bit that has more definition to the eyes. So I'm using the same Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm taking the matte black. Guys, once that's done, of course we will have to add more intensity to that. So I'm adding this lighter color because I want that look to be seen. I don't want the complete bluish effect. I will definitely add more dimension to this, but definitely for now I feel this is a better way of doing it. Like, can you see, like if I add a little more silver to this is gonna definitely be a hit. See, of course I will intensify the outside a little bit, and I feel I have something which is more lighter that I can use it on the inner corners, because inner corners can look a little better and brighter. Can you see that? Guys, it's okay, you don't have to care about the placement with this look so much. Yeah, can you see that? I use the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this shade and this shade, the first and the last shade in the palette. Yeah, I think by itself the look speaks a lot. So I'm just gonna take that darker color again and just going to push that into the crease, because at this point of time today my crease and my blending will not be judged. Though I don't care about that as well, but then because it's anyways blue, all you have to do is add more detailing to the makeup today, is what I'm saying. Yeah, so once that's done, we'll add more kajal and more lashes and lenses anyways. That's gonna bring up the whole look, but let's see what's next. Guys, eyes are done pretty much, so it's gonna look very simple and basic is what I can say. So I'm just gonna quickly finish my lash and liner and I'll be right back. So guys, that's done. This is gonna give you some galaxy vibes. If you can see black to blue to light blue, I've just like blended it all together. So it's gonna look something like this. You're gonna avoid this. I've not done my lashes yet because that irritates me a lot, especially with the lenses and everything. The look is already very heavy. It's not making me feel good at the moment. Whatever. Now it's time for us to sketch all the galaxies, stars, moon, whatever you like. Start doing that. So guys, I'm not a pro at drawing though, but I'm just trying at this moment to try my stars at the moment. I hope they work in my favor today. By any chance, does this look like a moon to you? I don't think so. Does it give you a feeling of a moon? Guys, I'm just trying my royal luck to get these moon fixed. I mean, clouds fixed, but I don't think so. Somehow they're working to be in my favor. But just let's try, dude. I'm not gonna like give up essay. I'm not like the best of the person to do this. But I don't know, does it give you a feeling of moon? I think clouds, yeah, somehow if you see by far, they look okay, not that great. Guys, I faded it up a little bit. Now I think it's almost gone and it just gives like an illusion of it. And I think I don't want to do anything harsh to it. I've just done so much mehnat. I can't ruin this look 4 o'clock in the morning. I have this round cap. I'm just gonna color this and place it here. Brains. So that's how it's gonna look like. Play it pretty safe, honey. Guys, show your painting skills and draw the stars and moon. Just write here polka dots. That's it. You don't have to do so much to it. And you just have to fill and do some detailing over here, which I'm just gonna do and I'll be right back. My dear friend, once your galaxy is ready, you have to start adding detailing to it. I'm sorry. I just added a little more color to my hair as well, just because I don't find a good hairstylist anyway. Jokes apart, my lenses were irritating me to another level, so I had to take them off again. And let's add the stars, moon, and shining stars and broken stars, whatever we want. Guys, this is done. I don't think so. Like, I don't know if it looks the best, I can say, but for me, I'm very happy with the way it is turned out to be. I can legit see the moon, the stars, not the stars yet. The stars are about to get built. Anyway, I'm taking my liner brush and I'm just going to take my the brush, and I'm just going to just don't make it so obvious that they are together next to each other. Just make it look like brothers and sisters, just like your. Make some shooting stars as well. Like, let's try to make one here. Shooting star here, shooting star here, shooting star. Let's try to make some stars. Stars. So guys, I am here finally. I have struggled a lot means a lot with my lashes. They are coming off and it's watering. So irritating, but we are almost done and I've just powdered my area just here to make it look nice and clean whatsoever. And I'm just gonna do my lip. What color are we doing for the lips? I don't know. I have gold, I have blue, of course blue. I don't like have an exact blue, but I have like a bluish purplish blue, so I think that works. You never know how we can mix and match. Leave that on me and I'll be right back. I think looks okay, but I'm just gonna twist it a little bit. Taking the same blue eyeshadow. Otherwise the lipstick is gonna bleed. It's a moisturizing lipstick. With this guys, we are officially done with this look. I hope you guys like it. Please take a moment and check out the look properly. I just missed my lenses, which I'm just gonna go try, click some pictures and have some fun. Meanwhile, if you like this look, please like, share, subscribe and comment, and let me know if you enjoyed this look. And also if you wish to recreate, please recreate the look. I really had a lot of fun doing this look for you guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support for my last look, and please keep loving, keep supporting. Thank you so much once again. Bye, take care. I shall see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.